So, update on the hair, on the lock attachments. So what's up?
So I think it's been like 2 months. They're growing them really nice. Like they look super natural. Go ahead and get in the scalp. It's cool. Like Beyonce's, sacred, but not sacred. Black Nation only stands. But no, it's been 2 months. They look really good. I washed it one time in 2 months. Please, no judgment, because that sounds gross saying it out loud. But it did really well. Not any shedding, really.
Okay.
Could use some help with, because I do have color, so I could use some help with taking care of my color.
I got you.
But more on that later.
I got you.
But no, I love it. They're perfect.
All right.
Super happy.
All right. So you're gonna see what we're gonna do today.
Stanley, I'm gonna start you off with this round right here. I appreciate your love and support. I appreciate you for that work you do on them locks. We need more locks in the world. Here we go. This is for you. Lock Nation, stand up. Here we go.
Hey, I'm getting my hairbrush. Can't talk right now. Okay, yeah, just where else? Nah, so they're still perfect. Like I wouldn't change it for anything. Now they cost, but I wouldn't change it. Yeah. Don't come in here with $2. Nah, it's beautiful. Like this is everything it's supposed to give.
Lock Nation, that was for you. I appreciate your love and support.